Good morning. We're here. About to get a haircut, deliver some packages. Who would have thought it rained yesterday? Maybe that's why I slept so well. Gotta close up shop. Got a beautiful haircut by my boy, Danny the man. Now I'm gonna go hit the gym. To remember in this journey of life is that you're not always gonna have your whole gang of supporters to go and push you to do your duties. Sometimes you gotta go get it on your own. If you don't build that habit of learning how to go get it on your own and always depending on somebody to push you, you'll never be able to push yourself. You know? So let's just get to the bag. Let's go hard. And let's just do it. It is certainly raining on me, my people. My jeans, my sweats have dots all over them from the rain. My hoodie is soaked. It's really coming down here, people. Wow, man. It's raining. Who would have thought? No umbrella. I messed up.
How are you? A little bit of everything, bro. Yeah. I started with calisthenics, now I'm some deadlift, maybe do some legs. Random. Enjoy you. Buys and tries. Nice, nice. Push-ups.